Emmanuel Tangumonkem, the visionary of Career Development Institute. The practicum for business development is meant to help every trainee at the Career Development Institute to get hands-on experience from those who are already doing business in one way or the other. It could be a formal business or as well as an informal business, which could range from a street side vendor or to buy and sell arms or an unregistered business, as long as it is yielding profit. Any business that interests you, we expect you to go there, spend time with them, interview the people, try to understand what drives them, what motivated them to embark on the processes they're embarking on, and what are the secrets of success. We want every one of our trainees to be able to humble themselves, go right down into the mud where the gold is, to be able to gather knowledge and experience. This is what the practicum is all about. From your interactions with us in our training program, we are able to find out from you how much you have been able to learn. When you do this, you are expected to give a report. And what report is expected of you is a maximum 4-pager document that tells us what you were able to identify in that business. What were some of the challenges the person faced? What were their motivations? What are some of the lessons you've learned? And as a trainee of a Career Development Institute in business development, what are some of the ways you feel you could be able to add value to that particular business? I think from this way, you will be able to better articulate when it comes to writing your own business plan and engaging in your own business. We are very much eager to see you succeeding, and we're hoping to see you in your next level. God bless you.